In this video, we'll study session 2 overview of word processor of computer application in business of bcom 5th semester, Karnatak University, Dharwad syllabus. Learning objective is introducing word processor, usage and uses of word processor, types of word processor. Session outcome. At the end of this video, we'll come to know the basic functionalities offered by word processor and knowing the meaning of integration. To understand this, we must be knowing MS Office package, editing and formatting, program, and portable document format PDF. New terms used here are application software, the software designed for the end user. For example, MS Word is an application software, MS Office, MS Excel, etc. OLE, object linking and embedding, enables you to create objects with one application and then link or embed it in another application. Here the application can be MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel. Object of one program, that is object of MS Excel, can be embedded in MS Word, or object of MS Word can be embedded in MS Excel. Now let us see what is word processing. Word processing can be defined as a process of creating, manipulating and formatting textual data as per intended use. To process the textual data on computer, we need word processing software. We saw what is word processing. Now let us see what is word processor. Word processor is an application software to create textual documents. It consists of creating, editing and formatting text and adding graphics in the text. It is used to edit, manipulate, transmit, store and retrieve text documents. Now let us see the features of word processor. It helps us to edit, format and save the documents in different file format. While saving, we can choose different file formats like TXT and like .doc, etc. The second feature is it helps us to search text, apply spelling and grammar correction. After completing the entire document, suppose if you want to search a particular text, we can find text among thousands of words in it. And also we can apply spelling correction and grammar correction. We can check the spelling of each word and grammar of the sentence. The next feature is it allows several automatic facilities like auto format and auto correction, etc. Entire format of the file designs can be changed. Next feature is it allows us to insert symbols like logos, etc. Pictures like our photo or scenery, etc. Then we can insert tables and OLE objects, charts like column chart, etc. The next feature is it allows us to protect documents in a secured manner. So we can set the password for our document so that unauthorized user cannot open it without our permission. Now let us see the areas of word processors applications. Word processors have a variety of uses and applications within the business, home, education and world, and in many areas. Businesses tend to have their own format and style for any documents produced. Word processing software package have revolutionized in the business communication. In business, the uses of word processors are: 1. Legal copies. We can create the legal copies using word processor. We can create letter and letterhead. We can also create memos using word processor. And also reference documents can be created. Usually company uses to create the reports using word processors. Types of word processor. There are different types of word processors available. The first one is Notepad. It is a simple window-based text editor with the limited features developed by Microsoft Corporation. When you create a document using Notepad, the file extension will be .text. The second type is a WordPad. It is more advanced than Notepad and simpler than Microsoft Word, developed by Microsoft Corporation. The file extension is RTF. Next type is MS Word, Microsoft Word. It is very popular and widely used word processor from Microsoft. It has several dynamic tools to create professional documents. File extension is a doc or .docx in Word 2007. Nowadays we usually use this type of word processor, MS Word. The next type is Google Docs. It is a word processor included as a part of a free web-based software office suite offered by Google within its Google Drive services. Now we were viewing MS Word window 2007. The area of the window is labeled and each label is given some numbers for the sake of understanding. The first number is 1, that is office button. If you click on office button, it will drop down and shows menus like open, new, save as, etc. The second one is a ribbon. Ribbon has got a number of tools in it. Actually these tools are shortcut to the menus. Then third is a tab selector button. The fourth is rulers. At the horizontal and vertical side, rulers, we can drag it either left to right or top to bottom. Then fifth one is a document where we can type actual documents in it. Then 6 is the status bar. Actually status bar contains the status of the document. Suppose there are number of pages and in which page we are working in it, page 1 number 1, 2, 3, this type of information is displayed over there. Then 7th one is a taskbar. That is actually the Windows taskbar. Different Windows task names are available, displays over there. And then 8 is a view shortcut. 9 is a zoom slide. We can zoom the entire window or the screen. Then 10 is view ruler buttons. So at the both side, horizontal bottom side and right side, the buttons for rulers. We can move the screen either to left or right or top to bottom. Then scroll bars are available. Screen 12 is scroll bars, 11 is screen split button. Then 13 the right indent. Right indent in the sense that is the gap between text in a document and right margin of the paper that we can adjust. Then 14 is the group. Each tab contains number of groups in it. Then 15th is a quick launch bar dialog box launcher. 16 is a title bar. Actually title is the name of the document which we have given to it, that it is displayed over. Right now it is document 1 is displaying. 17 is the toolbar, number of tools. Similar to the menu, number of tools are available. These are the shortcut to the menus. 17 is the tab. The first tab is home tab, insert tab, next is page layout, etc. Then 19 and 20 are the first line indent and hanging indent. Using these two we can adjust the left side gap, that is the left margin and the left margin of the text area. We can increase or decrease using these indent. Now let us see the features of MS Word 2007. Improved user interface. User interface are improved compared to the previous version. The tabs, different tabs are available like home, insert, design, animation, which like one which we saw in the previous slide. And the groups and each tabs, for example, home contains clipboard as a group, slides as another group, and so on. Insert contains tabs like tables, illustration, links, text, media clips, etc. Similarly, number of groups are available in different tabs. Command buttons. Each group is having some buttons. For example, Home tab contains a group called clipboard. Clipboard contains button, paste, cut, copy, etc. And slide is a group and which contains buttons like new slide, layout, reset, delete. The font is a group which contains buttons like bold, italics, underline, etc. Next, editing and formatting option is also available. The next feature is improves global spelling and grammar corrections available. Conversion to PDF and other formats are available in Word 2007. Next, introduction to integration. Sometimes we need to use objects created in one application program like MS Word in another program like MS Excel. That means one objects of one application can be placed in or can be inserted in another application. Now this process is called integration. Integration can be defined as an ability to share the information with other programs through object linking, object embedding and converting files. Now let us see some objective type questions. The first question is, word processors are used to create presentation, worksheet, documents, database? The answer is C. It is documents. The second question is, which of the following is a word processor? Notepad, MS Word, WordPad, all of the above. The answers are Notepad is a word processor, MS Word is a word processor, WordPad is a word processor. So the answer is D, all of the above. Thank you.